Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing buying Forex signals from Fiverr. Have you bought any yet? Okay, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit that subscribe button below, ring that bell notification, and drop a comment if you'd like to see anything else for us to look for Forex stuff here on Fiverr. So, a couple of days ago, I was doing some research and I saw a guy on YouTube try a signal service from a provider here on YouTube. And today I just want to give you some tips and tricks that I saw where he didn't realize at first. So if you're getting signals from a provider from a different country, that may interfere with your everyday lifestyle. So what you want to do is, if you're in the US, you want to find a signal provider in the US. So let's go in here real quick and let's find us a signal provider in the US. Let's see, Forex signals. All right. Now, I did get a glimpse of the person that this guy used. However, his signal service has increased in price, but there's no views. But the person on YouTube, he shared his results, and he had winning results with this guy. So, let's just look at a couple of here. That this gentleman here in this picture, if this picture is really him, which I doubt, because this is this person. Okay, I wouldn't mess with that, because that guy there, I know who he is if he was actually selling his service. And another way I would do, let's see here, category, let's do service options, United States, let's target United States, Canada, seller details, let's see here, level 2, level 1, and gotta be very careful for, let's see, what seller lives in the US. Let's add that in there. New sellers, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there, but you gotta be very careful. So here, and I always look for people with feedback. Okay, look for folks with feedback. New seller, take that off. Let's see how many people we get. Ugh. So no one in the United States that are listed United States. Here's one thing I will tell you though. The guy that I found, and found his channel again. Let's see here, we can find it real quick. I remember the logo. There's probably tons of people up in here, so. And I would be very wary. Don't go after anyone that's like very, uh, you know, too cheap. Don't go after too cheap signals, because normally you're going to get someone that's probably just trying to take your money. So, and most of these people, they deliver their signals through Telegram. So normally if they don't say Telegram inside the description, they probably do that for a reason, for the guidelines with Fiverr. So I would just really, here's a guy right here. I will provide you accurate Forex signals and indicator for trading. Let's read his feedback. No doubt will bring you lots of insights to my trading level. This guy is from Pakistan. I'm an electrical engineer, have experience in mathematics, calculus, opportunity these subjects. Nope, that don't look promising. Okay. Well, before I did this video, I did some research yesterday on the same provider, and I can't seem to find him. Maybe that was a red flag. Let's do this particular search term. Let's key the word service. Okay. I will give, see, no experiences. Let's look at this guy. See where he's from. Italy? Man. It's really just hard to find from people from the U.S. I will Forex signal service guarantee for $300. Wow. Well, no one believes him because no one's bought his service yet. So he should have sold cheap to get people to take action. Now here's someone with 60. Wow, here's one for 62 feedbacks, 81 feedbacks. Level 2 sellers. Okay. Average 600 to 700 pips in 1 month. Standard 3 months. You will 3-month signals, facility, $15 gift, Bollinger Band strategy. Wow, man, this is pretty good here. What I really like about it, he's got 12 orders in queue right now. He's a level 2 seller, 62 feedback. He's from Spain. Best signal strategies based developed upon my experience, 100% assured to gain real profit. Risk of rate is very low. High professional and technical team, very easy and friendly environment. Dear traders, following my certified strategies, personal research and development, you can successfully in trading. Okay. I provide Forex signals at mobile with take profit and stop loss with minimum 1 to 2 risk reward. I think you must have tested many Forex signal providers at different platforms. Now I'm offering you to choose my service at least for just 1 month. Trust me, you will never be disappointed from my end. Thanks a lot. So let's hear what some folks had to say. Wow, no negative feedbacks. No 3 stars, 2 stars, and 1. Very clear instructions, easy to read and follow. Profits on first day. Look forward to working with him in the foreseeable future. Excellent service, very fast, a lot of signals. I am only 3 trades in so far, but all profitable. Recommend. I ordered 1 week to test it out. It's been 24 hours and I already made 2 profits. At the moment, I am satisfied. If he keeps this up, I may be a long life customer. I'm experienced trader. I really like his strategy. Good service at a good price. Very good signals, good service, great work, very easy to work with, great signals. You can't complain. $30 for 1 month. This guy here, I'm gonna save him, bookmark him. You know, I'm all about earning while you learn. So, all right, I've got him bookmarked. To see. Okay, that's his name. To see. All right, let's look at the other guy with 81 feedback for $40. You know, that other guy should put a package in there for like $10 for a week. See how it goes. This guy here, we provide approximately 12 signals monthly, which is good because a lot of people think you have to have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 signals a day, which is not real. You only need 3 to 5 a week to be an average trader, profitable trader. Minimum risk 1 to 3, pretty good. Winning ratio 85 to 99%. Average stop loss 50 pips. Average take profit. If you use his average stop loss at 50 pips and you trade a 2% rule, risk management rule, you'll be trading very small lot sizes with a small balance. So just keep that in mind. His pairs, mostly signals paired like pretty much all the major pairs. From Pakistan, I have been trading financial markets for 8 years, blah, blah, blah. Man. Let's read some of his feedback. Okay. All right. He's got a 2-star deal. All right. Someone here in the United States gave him 73 7 stars. 73 5-star ratings and 7 4-star ratings, and only 1 2-star rating. So let's find that one. Let's see what they had to say. The quality of tips has fallen. Losses are not accounted. So this is one guy. That's 4 months ago. Let's just read current. This is 1 week ago. Excellent system. I really like the signals as well. They show profitable with strict risk management. I recommend the seller. He is one of the few legitimate ones on Forex and good communication as well. And also that bad review there 4 months ago, that might have been, the market was kind of crazy 4 months ago. End of December, January, with all this Corona stuff going on, that was a bad time in the market. So let's give him somewhat of a props here. I mean, he's got over 80 positive feedbacks. So definitely, trade with banks. If he is using a banker strategy or the market maker strategy for these signals, unlike any Forex signal provider, banks invite to track the logic behind their signals. We offer Forex market signals from banks. Not 100% sure what he means by that, but if he's trading the banker strategy, the aka market maker strategy, aka double tops, double bottoms, this guy may be throwing some good numbers up. So this is something to watch out. If you want to give this guy a try for $10 extra, yes, you may want to try this. You may want to try this guy. I'm going to bookmark him as well. All right. Looks like I got a couple more here. This guy here's got 13 reviews. He's a level 1 seller. Let's see what people are saying about him. 5 stars and 4 stars. I've tried their account management. I've already joined the team as a trader. Thank you very much for your work. Great communication. Hope signals are good. I just joined the team. So far, the experience has been amazing. Quick response and accommodating. Can't read that. Good service and good signals. Yes, the seller helped me achieve my goal. I recommend him to others. Awesome. Very good, the signals. Great experience in the business. Good signals. Great signals. The signal that sends, they are very accurate and very profitable. I recommend him 100%. All right, dude. That's a lot of good feedback there. So this one's $40 as well. But however, if you were going to choose one of the two for 40, let's see here, you got 30. All right, got $30, $40, and $40. I would choose this guy over the $40, and I would try him for 1 month, and I would try this guy for a month, and see who you like. 62 feedbacks, 81 feedback, no one's disappointed. You can't go wrong. Okay, if you like more videos like this, simply comment below what you'd like me to research for you, or if you'd like to find some more information, if you'd like to check out what we're doing, simply just go to our merch store below this YouTube video in the description box. Simply buy one of our Tyro FX 10K Challenge shirts. We'll send you the indicator over once you send us our picture of you with our shirt on, or screenshot on Instagram or something like that promoting our shirt. We would give you the indicator for free and let you join the 10K Challenge. If you have any experience or questions, please just reach out. Feel free to contact us. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, I highly encourage you, invite you to subscribe, ring that bell notification, give us a like, and comment below.